Hello guys, welcome to Life and Love in the Philippines, and for today's video, I'm gonna make a puto for our snack, and all the ingredients that I needed is here in front of me. So, I will start with the dry ingredients. I have a cake flour, and I strained it. It's a 1 cup. And the baking powder, I also strained it. Then sugar, I have the sugar. Just mix it. Then now I will do the wet ingredients. So 1 egg.
Wala na kayong masasabi ng mga bago-bago pa na isip.
And oil. I don't have a butter, that's why I use oil. Then milk, evaporated milk. And water. Then mix it also. Then I will put it here on the floor. Just mix it until there is no lumps. So this is the mixture. So it's ready to transfer to the mold. So here's my puto mold.
Grabe ka naman, Bek. Talaga sa akin.
So I will set aside this first to boil a water to steam this puto. So I'll be back. So guys, on my mixture, I made 19 pieces cups of puto, and I have a cheese and salted egg for the toppings. Before I steam it, I will put it on top. So I put a salted egg here, and to this one I will put a cheese. And now it's ready to steam. I'm going to the kitchen to steam this puto. So guys, here's my boiling water. I will steam it for 10 minutes, and I use a cloth on the cover so the moist of the water will not go to the puto. So I will wait for 10 minutes, then we will see. So guys, here's now my puto with cheese toppings, and the cheese is quite melted on the top. And here's my salted egg toppings. So let's taste it. It's very soft. So that's it guys, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.